Well, good morning. We're going to have the Not Brenda Gant cooking show this morning. So this is not Brenda Gant, but I'm going to show y'all how to cook Saturday morning eggs. Okay, so just stand by while we get our stuff out. To do Saturday morning eggs, you got to have a frying pan. You get a frying pan out. It can't be just any frying pan. It's got to be your good frying pan, just for cooking eggs with. See, something like this one right here. Not just any frying pan. I don't know where my phone went to. There it is. Must have thrown it out. Anyway, you got to have your frying pan like this, and then you got to have some butter and stuff. So let me get that right over here. Got some butter. See, you put Blue Bonnet on it right there, and then you need some hen eggs from the refrigerator. Just a minute while I'm getting the hen eggs. And they have to be cold hen eggs, like that right there. And then you need some cheese. And you can use different kinds of cheese if you want to. I like this kind right here. This says Sargento's. See that right there? It's real cheese. It says sharp cheddar natural cheese. It's good for you. And so you got to have that. And then you got to make sure that your camera is plugged in, because if your battery goes out on you, then it's not a good video. So you take that and plug it in right there. So now we got that. Then you get the bowl like this right here, and then you take it, when you take your eggs, you have to take it out of the pack, and then you see you got the egg, it's got this hard shell on there right there, and so you got to crack that open and put that, you're not supposed to do that, so don't drop the egg shell in there. And then you take another egg, and you do that one like that. And then you take another egg, and you do that like that. Okay, so you got like 3 eggs, 3 chicken eggs. You put them in there right there. And these people coming in my studio can't be in my studio anymore. Like that. Because this is our Not Brenda Gant cooking show. So then you take that. You always clean up as you go, because if you don't, you just have a mess everywhere. So then you take these eggs, and you take a fork, preferably one that don't have anything in it, and you stir it up like that, see? You see that? This is my best bowl. My grandma didn't give it to me, but it's my best bowl. You stir in the eggs like that. See? And you just whoop them suckers. This is 3 eggs, but you can put 4 eggs, you can put 2 eggs. You can't just do 1 egg, you got to do multiple eggs. So I found that the 1 egg is a lonely egg, you know? So you don't want to do that. Stir them up like that. And then you just let them sit there for a little bit, because they got to breathe. Now I got to go get my toast, so y'all don't go nowhere, I'll be right back. Getting the toast for the bread. I mean the bread for the toast. Get the toast for me, the bread for the toast. I don't know how y'all's house is on a Saturday morning. Our little old washing machine just goes all the time, and so there's always something nasty. So you get you at least 2 pieces of bread. See that? That's actually 3. But like that, make sure you don't got any holes in it. Now, these are sunbeam bread, so they're pretty good. I'm gonna put them in a toaster. Just stay right there. I'll be right back. I'm gonna put that on toast. And hit start. And the dog is coming in from outside. So my assistant, she's out there taking care of dogs this morning. So now, you put your little bread thing, you got to have that. And she's just chomping at the bits to get in my video. I don't know why. But anyway, so you got your eggs, and then you put them away, put your bread away, clean up as you go. And then you got your frying pan right here. See that? So I'm going to turn this little light on. You know, this little light of mine. And you turn that on right there. And then you take some of this stuff in a can. I don't know what this is, granola. And you shake it up. And you like spray it in your frying pan. And what that does, it lubricates the pan so the eggs can come out real easy. Alright, then this gas stove, if you turn it on, see that fire? It's just a fire in the way right there. Alright, so you take that, now you gotta take some Blue Bonnet, and take a spoon, and you dip it in there like that, and just flock a bunch of it in there. I like a lot of butter on mine, so you just flock a lot of butter. Put it in there like that. Put the top back on it, it keeps the bugs out of it, and it said, okay, all this stuff goes in the refrigerator. Then I'll toast it over there in the toaster, it's a cooking. You put that over there, and you wipe the stuff off your fingers. And then take your sharp cheddar cheese, and I'm going to use Sergeant's cheese, because I like this kind. So I'm going to take it, break it up in little pieces, and put it in there. Well, I may wait just a second, because it takes, we've got to have one of these things too. Where's my little thing? Somebody got my thing. So I got a little thing. You stir it around in there and make that butter just get everywhere. And if you got a plastic thing, it works better. You can put a lot of stuff in your thing. And you stir it around, and this is on like, not high heat, this is on like medium heat. So you don't want to scorch your butter, it'll just make it bad. And then you take your little cheese and you just kind of drop it in there. And you kind of get like a mixture stuff in there. Actually, I'm going to put 2 pieces of cheese in there this morning. I feel cheesy. So, we'll drop it like this. Right in there. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. See that? Look. Kind of cheese is just getting spread around there and you got all that butter. Gonna be good. Put that back on there. And then you take that. Okay. I got this one going. If y'all are wondering, she's just learning to cook. So, you know, you're supposed to bring people along with you as you can. So, you know, once you get to a certain level, you have to help other people. You cook these eggs a little bit more. They've been laying there breathing a little bit. Stuff starting to boil, so you don't want it to get too hot, though. It'll make a mess. And then you wash your bowl. Always got the water going. Alright, then you gotta keep these eggs, because see, this thing's getting hot right quick. And I don't need that. I need a plate. Eggs are best served not in a bowl. If you put them in a bowl like that, they stick together and all that grease goes over the bottom. You don't want to do that. So what you got to do is got to cook these eggs pretty quick. I learned how to cook eggs at Camp Truth. See them eggs? Look. See, it's just kind of cooking like that right there. That's what you see. The heat's not up on high heat. And you got this little rubber thing. It keeps you from scratching off all that stuff in there. I have 8 eggs that have scratch off in it, and they're not as good. I mean, they're alright, but you keep it going, you gotta keep it moving, don't let it get too hot. You'll see you got your toast cooking over there. How's my toast cook? That is not a plate. That is like a saucer. Alright, and then you keep it stirred. See how those eggs are coming up? Look. They kind of cook by themselves in that pan. This is like a no-sticking pan. See how it don't stick? Just keep it stirred, boy, they're gonna be good. They got enough cheese in there to choke them. So you keep stirring, till they get almost done. You don't want to just burn them down because ain't nothing worse than a burnt down egg. So you take that and cook it around there like that, and then you come back, just keep it fresh and stir it. See, look, see the consistency of that? Man, what you talking about? That's better than snot. So keep it going. You just about got most all of your stuff stirred in there like that. You can turn that eye off. That way you won't get burned. And see, it's still cooking. Look. That's the magic of a gas cooker. See, look at that. It's just juicy. Because that's got so much cheese and butter in there and stuff like that. And there you go. Just keep it going. All right. Leave that bowl. All right, I'll hold on right there 1 minute. Be right back. I'm gonna mash that button right there. Well, I ain't gonna fool it. It'll be all right. All right, you gotta get your toast out. You got to have a plate. See, it's important that you get eggs on a plate. Somebody didn't clean up, and hard to get good help nowadays. So you got your toast. It ought to be just about ready. This is light toast here. See?
Did you put milk in the eggs?
Shh, I'm on TV. This is light toast. I don't need no help from the peanut gallery. Then you take the eggs. See how those, stop. See how those eggs are like that? They're all fluffy.
Put no milk in
And
them.
you put it in there on your toast, just like this. Presentation is all about it. If it don't present well, it ain't gonna eat well. Just remember that. If it don't present well, it won't eat well. You can take that egg and kind of let it flobble over the top of that like that. And then you take your thing and you put this out of the way because somebody's gonna clean it. When you take your egg sandwich, that's what this is, an egg sandwich. And you put those 2 pieces of bread like that, get some salt and pepper, you salt that bad boy down, you take the black pepper, you put it on there like that. See, them eggs ain't hard now, they're not hard eggs. Then you take the other piece of bread, politely, don't be mean with it, just politely put it down on there, take a good sharp knife so it won't have any pain, and just cut right through there. See? There you go. You got your egg sandwich cut that way, got little hearts here. You got your, thank you. You got your little floppation right there that just makes it butter. You put your jelly right there. And so that is going to be a good egg sandwich for Saturday morning. If you don't know eat the egg sandwich on Saturday morning, you need to start. Because this is what makes strong people strong. Have a good day. We love you. Okay, now, we had it all cooked, and we got our table set, we're gonna eat it. I don't know if I'm in the picture or not, I probably ain't. Anyway, you got your orange juice in a glass, and you got your milk that you shook it in the jug before you took it, poured it out, and you put it in a glass. You got your egg sandwich here ready to go. So this is where you eat a Saturday morning egg. So, wow, it's gonna be good. Look at this thing. That'll bust your guts. And I'm out of here. Bye.